Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at specifically my mileage and secrets results for the month of January. Guys, I'm shooting this video on the 30th of January, so we still have 1 day left. But I think, we can go ahead and still make this video. If there are any updates in the last day, I will definitely give them to you guys next month. So let's go ahead and look at the monthly results. How does this strategy work? And if you guys want to follow along, even implement the strategy, all the links are going to be in the description. So make sure that you do stay tuned till the very end where I explain it all. Awesome, guys. Here I am on my laptop. And before I go ahead and talk about mileage and secrets, I want to make sure that you guys get some value in terms of understanding what the results is. So if you guys see my screen right now. And by the way, before I get started, welcome to the channel. This channel is all about tips that help us pave the way for our dreams to come true. I specifically focus on affiliate marketing. So if you like that, make sure to stay tuned because I post 3 videos every single week. One is about automation. The other one is about the strategy itself. And at the Monday videos, I talk about specifically step number 1. So I go through step number 1 and step number 2, what I call the cash flow generating step for me personally. And I will be following this step for a long time. So guys, if you're interested in it, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. And it's just a recommendation from my side because first and foremost, you get notified for all the videos. And secondly, that's the only thing I personally actually ask for in these videos. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button and come back and watch the rest of the videos on a Wednesday and a Friday. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's get into it. As I mentioned, step number 1 is specifically a cash flow generating step, and step number 2 is how do you build an asset to basically a long-term affiliate marketing business. So that's how I've divided the two things. The main reason why I did it this way is because I do have a full-time job. I use affiliate marketing on the side, and I want to make sure that it is as automated as possible so that I don't have to spend time in my extra efforts when I go away from my day job and I have to focus on just do a few simple tasks rather than to focus on taking time out of my day to make sure that affiliate marketing does work, because it does work. It just, you have to balance. Either you want to spend with time or you go a little bit on the paid route. So I do go the paid route, and I use mileage and secrets as my main paid source to start to generate commissions. Yes, commissions. And I'm going to share with you exactly how much I made this month, but I use it to create commissions for myself. Guys, this strategy was built to first and foremost generate a cash flow, and then secondly, build a long-term business. Along the way, we're learning the affiliate marketing essentials, which is basically 2 fundamental skill sets: advertising and copywriting. Advertising is important. Mileage and secrets, in my opinion, solves the problem of advertising because you are getting 100 leads immediately, and it gives you an opportunity to practice your copywriting skill sets. And if you get better in copywriting on mileage and secrets, trust me, you can get better at copywriting anywhere, and you can start to generate more conversions in your affiliate marketing journey. So that's why it's important in terms of email marketing, copywriting in general, and having an advertising source. So that's why I personally have it. And then I reinvest those funds into paid advertising to build my asset long term. So that's personally how I do it. You can use step number 2 in the free way as well as the paid way. I basically document this entire journey, and I do have a course, guys. So in case you're interested in the course and all the strategies that have led to the results that you're going to see in this video, then feel free to click on the course in the description of this video, which is called Affiliate Marketing Essentials, and you can get that course there. It's basically me educating you on the strategy that I'm using and the details of the strategy, which I don't go through in these videos. So make sure that you do plug into that. Plus, you get the support in my Facebook group through these videos and everything else. Guys, let's get into it. So I already explained what mileage and secrets is. What I did not tell you is that basically you get access to 100 to 200 leads every single day, and you can email those 100 to 200 leads every single day in order for you to then generate consistent results in cash flow. But the guarantee that mileage and secrets is giving you, the only guarantee that actually anybody can give you, is generating those leads. Conversion of those leads into sales, how much money, is up to you as an affiliate marketer. It's up to you as a marketer in general. We have to implement the skill sets to get those conversions into sales. So no one is guaranteeing you sales. No one is guaranteeing any money. But what we can do is give you the opportunity, the space, and everything else. So that is what mileage and secrets is doing. They're giving you the advertising, because to generate 100 leads every day is already very time consuming and can be costly. This way, you're getting access to 100 to 200 leads every single day. Why 100 to 200? 100 because that's what you'll get. 200 is when you go and refer at least one person to My Legion Secrets, then they give you bonus 100 leads every day until that person is active. So as long as you have one active member, you get 200 leads every day instead of 100 leads every day, which is quite cool. How much does it cost? Basically costs $60 the first month, and then $30 the next month after that, and $30 every single month. Why? Because there's a $30 one-time setup fee plus the $30 that you're spending for that first month. So that's why it's $60 in the first month, and then it goes on to be $30 every month. So this is my only expenditure that I have. As I said, all the details are going to be on this website. I'm leaving the link to this website below and in the comments in case you want to check it out and you want to get My Legion Secrets. It can become an income source. I focus on it as a traffic source. I follow this step-by-step process of using My Legion Secrets leads to an offer and then generating a sale. This is what I do on a daily basis. So I come to My Legion Secrets. I send out an email every day. I'm going to show you guys some statistics in a bit. And the offer that I promote is on Warrior Plus. And so I'm going to go over the statistics there. So as I mentioned, let me just first and foremost open another, let me duplicate this tab for a specific reason. And what I'm going to do is this tab specifically, and we're going to go to statistics so you guys can see. As you see, I send leads every single day, send an email out every single day, and I try to basically get clicks. This is how My Legion Secrets looks. Once you get started, you can go to the quick start video. Once you then you can get your leads right here, and everything is in the training right here. So if you go to this training, you'll get a whole, how My Legion Secrets works. But it's pretty simple. I come here, I select the leads, I add my subject, I add my information which I want to send, click on perfect timing, and then I send. As you can see, in an hour and a half, basically I can send my next email. That's why I'm shooting this video right now, because I have some time to spare before sending out the next email. It takes me right now, the strategy that I use is I use a lot about ChatGPT to automate most of it, but then I edit it and find my own voice, my own message. You have to communicate with these leads. You have to build a relationship with these leads. These leads that you're receiving are co-registration leads. So you have to build a relationship with them. If you're not building a relationship with them, trust me, guys, you're going to get lower results, or let's say fluke results, luck results, but not consistent results. That's just what I've seen in the past year that I've been using My Legion Secrets. I got started in February last year. It's been a year that I've been using this platform. Take advantage and stick with it for at least 12 months. Now, let's go ahead and share with you my results. But there are two ways that I earn totally with My Legion Secrets. So one is, first and foremost, because sorry, you can see that it's apparently when I do, the balloons start flying with Zoom, but that's okay. Yeah, so with My Legion Secrets specifically, when I click on affiliates, you'll see that I do have a downline. So I have 10 people, and I would have had actually 22 people, but 11 people stopped paying, and I still have continuously 10 people paying. So I'm basically earning from that. So let's just check how many commissions I made this month with these memberships, so that we can add that in our total My Legion Secrets commissions earnings, right? That is what we're doing right here. So let's look at that. I put that in this tab. We basically have 9 payments, as you can see. So first, second, first, fifth, again, 10th, 14th, 15th, 15th, and this is on the 17th, and then the 22nd. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 payments in My Legion Secrets itself. So each one is $5, as you can see. So let's quickly just bring out my calculator. Okay, I will just put it right here so that you guys can see. Just give me a second. I'll just open another tab and put 45. And then we put plus. Oh, yes, I need to open actually another tab as well and go to clickback. So what I've been doing this last month, guys, of January, what I was trying to do is basically I was trying to have a pattern where this month of January, I'm tracking everything. So 6 days of the week, I send out an email to my primary offer, and then on a Sunday I basically send out an email that promotes this page right here and also promotes a ClickBank product. The reason why I'm doing this is that they can buy the leads, but they need to send those leads somewhere. So what I'm suggesting to them in the Sunday email is basically, here are your leads that you're getting, here is what My Legion Secrets is about, and you can get a ClickBank offer where you can send those leads to, because it starts to convert. So this is what I'm doing on a Sunday, adding just in the the PS and I will show you it in a second, but just go to statistics and let's just look at Sunday's email right here. So as you can see, this is the email. And then I say Sunday, special Sunday bonus offer, use this traffic with one simple product. And then they can click here and basically get the product that I have in ClickBank. So this is a My Legion Secrets link. So if I click this, you'll see it goes to My Legion Secrets, right? If I click on, sorry, let me go back to that. If I click on this right here, where does it take you? Boom, it will take me to Perpetual Income 365 Online, which is basically a product on ClickBank that I have started to share. The reason why I'm doing this in the month of January, guys, first and foremost, is not just to track my results that you guys can see, but also to show you that how important the copywriting and the email marketing is. It doesn't matter what, in my opinion, as far as I've seen right now, it doesn't matter what product you have, as long as you write the right emails for your audience who knows you, who you built a relationship with, to then promote that offer. So me just sharing on Sunday, I might get a lead, I might get commission in the sale for My Legion Secrets, which keeps this ball rolling of having 200 leads. That's the whole purpose of it. And when I go and start to share a recurring product, this is a recurring product, now I can start to generate sales for that recurring product as well. So this month of January, as you guys can see right here, in the last 30 days, I've got 2 sales for ClickBank. So I've sent the email 4 times. I've got 2 sales. That's a 50% conversion rate, in my opinion, from those emails, which is quite cool to have. So I've sent 4 emails this month and I've got 2 sales so far. $39.49. So we will add that right here so that we get those 2 amounts. And then I go to Warrior Plus, which is where my primary offer is. And let's just put not the last 30 days, but let's just put this month so you guys can see very clearly. And it's from the 1st to the 30th, so you guys can see. And then we will put MLGS, which is the main, like, My Legion Secrets tracking code. But as you guys can see from the beginning of this month, I actually have each day. So I made a sale on the 1st of with the 1st of January email, 2nd of January email, 5th of January email, 8th of January email, 12th, 16, 18, 22, 23, 26 so far. And that leads to a total of $266.65. So we'll add that as well, right? So these are all my earnings. So let's go over it again. All I do is email my leads to an offer and make a sale. I'm not collecting any leads. I'm using it as an email autoresponder, okay? I've sent mainly to, actually now this month, I actually switched up and had 2 different offers. So for the first 2 weeks of the year, I sent it to my primary offer, which is called Affiliate Marketing on Crack. And then, which is the same vendor, I have another offer, which is called Automated Commission Systems. And I sent it to that for the last 2 weeks of the year. And as you can see, both have been converting pretty well and consistently. That's the main thing to say, and consistently. So $375 worth of sales that were made, plus $266 in commissions. That is total earnings. So let's see how much that is. That's $350 just from My Legion Secrets earnings, guys. Now, remember, we haven't yet deducted my expenditure, which is $30 for that month, and means I have a total net profit just from My Legion Secrets of $321.41. So I'm spending $30. This is 10 times more money that I have made totally back. I'm spending $30 a month to make $300. Does that mean that you are guaranteed that amount? No, but these are my results. These are, I cannot guarantee you the same results. Obviously, I do put in the work and the effort. And the main thing that I see right here is, as you can see, there's a variety of commissions, right? One is I'm getting commissions, and I have got new commissions. You can see right here. This is a new commission. 1, 2, 3 are 3 new sales this month. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 3 new sales this month. The rest are recurring, yes, but I made 3 new sales. So 3 new sales from 4 emails to My Legion Secrets, as well as 2 sales in ClickBank. So that means both those emails worked for me. So from the 4 emails that I sent to from those Sundays, 3 emails worked and 1 didn't. So from those, I got 3 sales basically from those 4 emails. which is amazing if you think about it, because at the end of the day, those are only once a week I'm sending. So the strategy that I'm using right now is I'm still using this strategy, but the emails that I'm sending, I'm switching up my offers every single 2 weeks, basically, or every week or every 2 weeks. I'm still yet to decide, but I think every 2 weeks is a nice run to have. But the offers that I own personally, not offers that I just have, I own them also. So I talk about them, I build a relationship. I make the email congruent with the sales page that they're going to. I make the email congruent with the information that they receive. I make the email congruent with explaining to them what makes sense and having this relationship with my leads in my lead gen secrets to get the kind of conversions that I'm getting. Guys, with one account, this is all I'm doing. And then I'm utilizing those funds to actually start to generate more commissions and build my email list, which is now 800 and something leads, which has been also reduced every day. I actually delete the uninformed or responsive leads that I do have on my personal email list. So this strategy is something that's very close to my heart. If you guys want to get a free funnel and you want to see the strategy in detail as explained with proof, progress, and results, then you can click in the description to get affiliate marketing essentials and you'll be able to get the course. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to, give you guys an overview of the strategy, talk to you about it, share with you my monthly results. I hope you enjoyed this video, found this valuable. I will continue to post monthly results. But if you want my personal help and to get started one-on-one working with me, then the best thing is to get affiliate marketing essentials, and you'll get access to my group there with the entire strategy. And I'm here to support you guys and help you keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next one.